Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite Zero Build for beginners. Zero Build is a fast-paced mode where the building mechanic is completely removed, shifting the focus entirely to gunplay, tactical movement, and smart use of cover. You'll start with an overshield of 50 extra health, which regenerates when you're not taking damage. Always prioritize finding good weapons and staying aware of your surroundings. Managing your inventory effectively is key to success. Aim for a balanced weapon loadout, perhaps an assault rifle for medium range, a shotgun for close quarters, and a sniper for long distances. Always carry at least 2 healing items, like medkits or shield potions, to recover quickly. Mobility items, such as shockwave grenades, are incredibly useful for escaping danger or pushing opponents. When engaging in combat, positioning is paramount. Always try to secure high ground or solid cover before initiating a fight. Aim for headshots whenever possible, as they deal significantly more damage and can quickly turn the tide of an encounter. Don't be afraid to disengage from a fight if you're at a disadvantage. Repositioning can often lead to a better opportunity to strike. As the game progresses into the late stages, awareness of the storm circle becomes even more critical. Plan your rotations early to avoid getting caught in the open. Conserve your valuable healing and mobility items for the intense final circles, where every bit of health and every quick reposition can make the difference. Anticipate enemy movements and be ready for those crucial final engagements to secure your victory royale.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.